We are doing the 100 days 6 minutes drawing challenge, and we are now episode number 36.
36. And this is the series of monsters.
Yeah.
The funniest and the most interesting monster drawings. Do not forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button and add your comment. Give a name to the monster, and the best name wins some exciting goodies from Parikshit. So you need to stay till the end of the video. Hit on the like and the subscribe button. Add a comment below. Name the monster, and you win some exciting goodies from Parikshit. Yeah. Let's get started with episode number 36. We need a pencil and a white paper.
Yeah.
And
eraser.
And an eraser. So what do we start with? Let's start with the face. A zigzag. Okay, this is what you want to start with?
Yeah.
The face has to be the funniest part.
And it doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah, you can simply make anything that you want to.
I didn't have such a long neck.
Okay, and now
Such wide.
what we once again a zigzag thing is what we are gonna do, and that has to do with the smile of the monster. That's an interesting smile.
Yep.
And how do we make the eyes? Once again, an interesting thing. Let's see how many eyes do the monster has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. 5. Oh my god. 6. And a 7. 8 eyes this monster has got. Let's make the teeth. Yeah. The zigzag hands.
And the scary fingers.
The legs. Now what do we do? Let's finish making the eyes. And one.
Why? Don't copy mine. Don't copy mine. Now mine has 12 eyes. Isn't that correct?
Yes.
But my monster has 14 eyes. Want to look how, Papa?
We'll counter it. Let's finish the sketch first.
Yeah. Look at my monster.
Show it over here.
Want to know how many I have brought?
Let's count.
If you count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6.
6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Mine
Oh, you made 3 more. Okay.
look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So I hope you enjoyed this sketch. Do not forget to name them monster the best names, win some exciting goodies, and do not forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button to see some more amazing drawings from Parikshit. So in the next video, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.